Checking all of the boxes for an enthusiast of pro touring F-bodies. This 69 Camaro has been sorted with a powerful LSX crate engine, a quick shifting Tremec 6-speed, and all of the supporting hardware to get the power to the ground as efficiently as possible. This awesome Camaro rolled out of a detailed professional restoration in 2014. But in 2017, the car's owner decided he wanted an all-out pro tour that could compete just as well as it shines. And in late 2018, this Chevy made its second debut as a curve-carving beast that virtually craves an autocross or the road course. Inside, you'll find a purposeful custom interior. In addition to wrapping 4-point racing harnesses around BMW leather, the car's custom bucket seats have enough travel to comfortably accommodate a tall driver with a helmet. A Detroit Speed dash centers a digital gear display amid custom gauges. Rich Mercedes carpet floats a custom console that's finished with a sequential shifter and GT40-style toggles for power windows and door locks. And the driver spins a wrapped steering wheel on a modern tilting column. Lift the hood to reveal 454 cubic inches of Chevrolet Performance LSX small block mounted between carbon fiber fenders, and it's rated at over 620 horsepower. That power gets sent to the rear wheels thanks to a Tremec 6-speed and a strange 9-inch with posi-traction. With Sublime LS power, a seriously athletic suspension, and a thoughtfully upgraded interior, this fully sorted Pro Tour is infinitely stylish and everyday reliable. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.